Hello everyone and welcome to another video of Only in Goa. You may have seen many lakes around the world, but today we will be witnessing a nature's wonder, and this lake is called as the Bubbling Lake. The village of Netravali, where this wonder is located, lies in Sanguem Taluka of South Goa. The village where the Budbudyachi Tali lies is about 80 km from Panaji and 50 km from Margao. The lake is a place of religious significance for local peoples, not only for the lake but also for nearby Gopinath Temple. The lake itself is a beautiful natural marvel. The word budbud means the bubbles in Konkani. These bubbles rise continuously to the surface in various places in the lake. Strangely enough, they also appear to respond certain sounds and rise faster if you clap. See you in the next video. If you like this video, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.